mind, welcome to paradise. Are you ready for a new smoothie recipe? Here's our delicious smoothie, and I'm going to try it now. So it's banana, spinach, blueberries, some pomegranate, and pineapple, baby. Oh my goodness. I'm in heaven. I really am. This is amazing. This is so delicious. This is the perfect lunch. So if you want to make a potassium-rich smoothie, make this one. It's full of potassium, antioxidants, iron. Wow, this is so delicious. Protein and deliciousness. That's the best part. Sorry guys, I can't stop. This is so delicious. I love this smoothie. It's amazing. It's nutritious, it fills you up, and it takes care of your cravings. Your cravings will disappear if you eat such a filling meal every day. You'll forget about your cravings. This is what you need. This is what all of us need. Some people say that everybody is different, but I disagree. Do you ever see two squirrels talking to each other and saying, you know, I'm different, I don't like nuts. I really love carrots from now on. Does that ever happen? We're the same species, we just have different beliefs. That's where we're different. Everything else is the same. And even the beliefs are sometimes just recycled from our past, right? I highly recommend this smoothie to everyone who just went raw and is looking for a really filling meal. This is your recipe. And also for everyone else. This is great. Also for kids. This is perfect for kids because kids love sweet meals, right? So definitely make this recipe for your kids, for your family. Let me know how it turned out. You can put your own ideas and you know, you can put some peaches in, nectarines, whatever you like. That's what I like about the raw vegan lifestyle. I love it. You can do whatever you want. You can create your own recipe within minutes. Goes fast, no dirty dishes. This is your way to health, happiness, and paradise on earth. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. In case you did, remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, let me know how else I can help you. And in case you haven't subscribed already, check out my site rawkingpower.com, where you can subscribe to my newsletter by downloading my free mini ebook. Also, if you have some problems, you can book your free strategy session right away. That's also on rawkingpower.com. I'll see you on the inside. Until then, keep rocking and making delicious smoothie every day. Promise?